Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can send Instagram Reels to yourself. So let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in a couple of different ways. However, there is one that's the simplest. Now, you can send it to yourself on Instagram if you create a group. If you're in a group chat and you're the admin, you can remove every other user except for yourself. And then when you send it over to that group, it'll be sent just to you. And since you're the sole user, you're the only one that will be able to view it. Alternatively, you can copy the link and send it to yourself through another chat. You can send the link in your Instagram chat or on WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat even maybe. So you can do whatever you want. And alternatively, if you just don't want to do anything of the sort, you can very easily just save the reel in your library and you're good to go. And of course, you can also send it between your other accounts if you have multiple accounts, and that's also an option, but I won't be covering that. Now, what you can do, again, you can just go into the reels, select the reel that you want, and you can just click on the three dots and click on save, and then it'll be in your library where you can access it at a later date. You can click on the send or the share button and you can click copy link, and then you can send it to yourself wherever you want, or you can just go through and see any of your Instagram groups if you have them. I'm not sure why my group is not appearing, but if I go over here, as you can see, I have this test group where I added and removed some people, and as you can see, this is an empty group with just myself, and I could very easily just share it here, just paste it over there, and that's pretty much it. And now that reel has been shared, and that is basically all you need to do. It's really easy, really simple. There are a lot of different ways you might want to do this, but pretty much saving and sending it to a group is the simplest option there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.